video, I'm going to show you everything about how to find fonts, install it in your PC, and use it in your work in Photoshop and every other software in your PC. Let's get right in. In my last video on fonts, I noticed that some of you were confused about how to get the fonts to work on your system after you've downloaded them. I'm going to help you with that. I'm going to treat everything you need to know about getting fonts into your system. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to head over to Chrome and find any fonts that you want. And once you've downloaded your font, go to your download location. For me, downloads, and I'm going to do this with designer font. When you download a font, in most cases, they will come in this format. Now, this is a zip format, a compressed format, because sometimes the font contains many other files. That is not just one file, or even if it is one file, it's just put it in this format. So what you have to do is to double click on it to decompress it or unrar it. Then inside it, you're going to see the font you're looking for. It could be .otf, .woff, or TTF, whatever format it comes in. All you have to do is double click it. Once you double click on it, it's going to open the font for you, and then you click on install up here. The designer font is already installed. Yeah, this is because I've already installed this. If I want to replace it, I can just press yes, and it's going to install it again for me and replace the old one. So this is how to install it. It's as simple as that. And right now, when you open any software, including Photoshop, you are going to observe that the fonts are showing up there already. Be it Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, or any software you're using to work, or even CapCut, is going to be right there for you. Let me open Photoshop and then come here to your text tab, your characters panel, drop it down. Remember, we installed designer fonts, so I'm going to type designer right here, and you can see it's here already. So that works for any font you download, whatever format it is in. To learn more about Photoshop, follow this channel, click on the bell icon to be notified when I post videos, and I'll see you in my next video.